Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayansh Tutorials. This is Rajesh Singh. Today in this video, we are going to know about the 7 major elements of communication. These major elements of communications are very important for the students pursuing diploma in Jharkhand. So let's start. 7 major elements of communication process are: first sender, second idea, third encoding, fourth communication channel, and fifth receiver, sixth decoding, and seventh feedback. Communication may be defined as a process concerning exchange of facts or ideas between persons holding different positions in an organization to achieve mutual harmony. The communication process is dynamic in nature rather than a static phenomena. Communication process as such must be considered a continuous and dynamic interaction, both effective and being affected by many variables. First, sender. The person who intends to convey the message with the intention of passing information and ideas to others is known as sender or communicator. Second, ideas. This is the subject matter of the communication. This may be an opinion, attitude, feelings, views, orders, or suggestions. And third, that is encoding. Since the subject matter of communication is theoretical and intangible, its further passing requires use of certain symbols such as words, actions, or pictures, etc. Conversion of subject matter into these symbols is the process of encoding. Fourth is communication channel. The person who is interested in communicating has to choose the channel for sending the required information, ideas, etc. This information transmitted to the receiver through certain channels which may be either formal or informal. Fifth, receiver. Receiver is the person who receives the message or for whom the message is meant for. It is the receiver who tries to understand the message in the best possible manner in achieving the desired objectives. And the second last point, that is decoding. The person who receives the message or symbol from the communicator tries to convert the same in such a way so that he may extract its meaning to his complete understanding. And last point, that is feedback. Feedback is the process of ensuring that the receiver has received the message and understood in the same sense as sender meant it. So guys, in this video I have explained the elements of communications. Hope you understood well, and with this I would like to end this video lecture. Thank you. Bye.